Alright, let's do an updated. So now I got a new sticker. Got one paper towel now instead of two, so I can put my fan there. It's not bad, it's not gonna go nowhere. Speakers and still got all that. Oh, this is new. Stream light. Yeah, it's all the same. Made some adjustments. Oh, we got new ratchets because this is a new Matco. This is a new Matco 3/8. I don't know if these were in there last time. Quarters. Get another one of these. A mini breaker bar back there. Yeah. Can't wait for them to come out with this and that handle. Clean this drawer out a little bit. This is the new DeWalt. I think I had the Snap-on one here last time, but I got the 60-volt batteries. Beasts. Right. Stubby 3/8, regular 3/8, air 1/2 inch. My gyroscopic screwdriver. Use this bitch all the time. The long quarter. My new long 3/8. Matco Air 3/8. Matco quarter. And my Snap-on ratchets. This is new. I don't know if you guys saw this. 1/4 inch Mac. You saw these 3/8 and stuff about this. It's 1/4 inch. I'm trying to get the 3/8 one next. My long wrenches, my wrench extenders, and regular hammers and stuff. These. This is exciting. Just got these new Matco plier holders, and I got rid of that thing. I strongly recommend these. Clean it up a little bit. And this is the same, just added some picks. Clean out this drawer. This is the last time you've seen it. Yeah, it's got less stuff. Stubby 1/2 inch effect in there. Still got this hanging here. Now I cut a hole for this. Lantern. Air tools. There are my blowers. My Snap-on lights there. It's pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? And here I got my underhood cart. This is the regular one for cars. This is the one for trucks. It goes up to like, is it about here? I think it's like 8 foot, something like that. Got this Craftsman basket. See, Craftsman has a wall system, and it's funny, it fits perfect. So I'm gonna order some attachments for that Craftsman kit for my cart. Got my basic, chemicals and yada yadas. That's where the other paper towel went. This is my regular one. This is my little workbench. Got this Mac gallon jug holder. Right now I got my broken tools in there, but you take your gallon jug. I just rigged it on here to hold my tools when I'm working on it. That's cool. Got my trash, got my metal trash, got some chemicals in there, and this is where I put the parts, and then got my little vise. It's not bad. I got a little husky cabinet. See that Snap-on? That was a gift, but never gonna use it. I left it. That was a gift. That's actually a nice set. The seal installers. Whatever. Other than that, it's all DeWalt stuff there, and a Mac Master pressure tester. My light Mac. The wheel lock set. That's a ball joint set. My Matco compressor tester set. Tool storage is just keeping them Keeping them stored, that's it. I don't care what it is. Got my power stuff there. Spark plug wire pullers. Keep down there. Fail. But yes, I actually do use these to pull spark plug wires. This is my old box. I won this. This got the top for it. Pretty soon I should be getting a Matco Revel. I don't know. I've just been waiting because tool storage just holds the tools. I got 2 of those and then the Matco step there. That's my boss's new box. But you know, tool storage is why I spend all the money just to hold some of the tools that you don't really use every day. I'll give you a little sneak peek. This would be a different video. This, you know. Yeah, every drawer is like this. Like my spare, I guess my 3/4 inch Matco gun, spare 1/2 inch and 3/8, old blue point 3/8, air drill, air shears, air hammers, spare chucks and stuff. You know, like all the spare pliers I don't use. Why buy a fancy box for stuff I don't use? Like these I barely use. I use this all the time. It's my fan clutch tool. You know, it is what it is. Like I got the junk up here. It's actually my battery tester with the printer is pretty cool. It's just, other than that, just junk. Junk. Like this drawer is pretty empty. All my spare ratchets. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I've had this since I was like 15. It's a ratcheting breaker bar. That's it, man. And over here I just got my little vacuum. Junk bucket. Creeper is my bucket. Another creeper. That's it, man. We do work out here. Alrighty. Keep it. Pimpin', dog. Oh.